Hi guys!
Hello everyone! Today you're going to learn exactly how to fold pieces for 3D origami step by step. You will make them faster if you watch this video to the end. You will learn how to make one piece less than 8 seconds. Keep watching. First, take some sheets of paper. Fold sheets of paper in half. Fold them in half again. Then unfold them and fold sheets again. Unfold them and fold both sides to the middle. Like this. Fold sheets again. Unfold them. Take one side and fold it to the middle, like this. Repeat it after me. Repeat it with another side. We will get 32 rectangles from each sheet. Take scissors and cut sheets along these lines. Like this. And repeat it again and again. We got 32 small rectangles from each sheet. We will use them for folding pieces. Take one rectangle and start folding pieces. Fold it in half and push in the middle of rectangle, like this. Then fold one side, like this. Repeat it. Rotate it and fold a corner. Repeat it. Fold it and push your finger thumb. Repeat it. And push your finger thumb in the middle and fold two corners. We made a triangle piece for 3D origami. Take another rectangle and repeat all steps. Fold it in half and push in the middle of rectangle, like this. Then fold one side, like this. Repeat it. Rotate it. Fold a corner. Rotate it. Fold a corner. And push your finger thumb in the middle and fold two corners. We made a triangle piece for 3D origami. And now let's fold pieces on the speed. How many pieces you can fold in 1 minute? Ready, set, go. Okay? Type your result in the comments below and don't forget to subscribe.